if the luxury SUV you thought you knew was about to be completely transformed? Imagine a redesign so stunning it leaves you speechless. But wait, the real shock is coming. Today we reveal the all-new 2026 Mercedes GLC with every detail uncovered. Are you ready to see how far Mercedes pushed the next generation? Let's begin with the exterior because this is where the bold transformation hits first. The 2026 GLC arrives with sharper lines, a stronger stance, and a modern presence. But wait until you see how each redesign choice elevates its luxury feel. Coming next, we take a closer look at the new styling direction. The refined grille, the new LED headlamps, the sculpted side panels, and aerodynamic finishing all create a more confident and athletic GLC. Every detail feels intentional and elevated. But wait, the real shock is still ahead. Stay tuned as we reveal the most impressive exterior upgrade for 2026. Now step inside because the interior takes this SUV to a whole new level. Mercedes delivers a cabin focused on digital luxury and comfort. But wait until you see the interior features coming next. Don't miss how the GLC blends craftsmanship, technology, and elegance like never before. The dual-screen cockpit, upgraded MBUX system, ambient lighting, premium materials, and redesigned seating create a refined and futuristic environment. Everything feels more intuitive and luxurious. But wait, the real shock is how immersive the new tech becomes. Stay tuned for the most surprising interior upgrades. Now let's move to power because performance is a key part of this redesign. The 2026 GLC brings refined engines, smoother torque, and improved efficiency. But wait, there is more coming next. Don't miss how Mercedes tuned this SUV to feel more responsive and confident on any road. With enhanced suspension, better chassis balance, improved drive modes, and smoother handling, the GLC delivers a premium and controlled driving feel. It is agile yet stable, refined yet capable. But wait, the real shock is how effortless it feels. Stay tuned as we explore the performance enhancements. Now here comes what many have been waiting for, the price and where the new GLC fits in the 2026 luxury SUV lineup. With major upgrades, the positioning becomes even more interesting. Stay tuned because the price will shock you. Coming next, we reveal how Mercedes targets the market with this redesign. To appreciate this evolution, we explore the GLC's legacy as one of the best-selling Mercedes SUVs. Known for luxury, comfort, and reliability, it now steps into a new era. But wait, the 2026 version pushes this legacy further. Don't miss how the redesign honors its past while embracing the future. The all-new 2026 Mercedes GLC is more than a redesign, it is a bold step into next-gen luxury. But wait, more exciting reveals are coming soon. If you love SUVs, don't miss what is coming next. Hit subscribe so you won't miss it. Stay tuned for the next big reveal.